everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the fifth day in the question practice, and the question for today is that which of the following amino acids are both glucogenic and ketogenic in nature? That is glucogenic and ketogenic both in nature. You have four options. First option is alanine plus lysine. Second option is alanine plus tryptophan. Third option is lysine plus tryptophan, and the fourth option is tryptophan plus phenylalanine. So you have the question and the options in front of you. Try to solve this question. Write down the answer in the comment sections and do not forget to get the answer on the Telegram channel. The link for the same is in the description box. Join the Telegram channel, get the answer, and also do not forget that this particular topic holds a very good importance, as you can get such questions in both part B and part C. In part B, you'll get it as a one-liner, and in part C, you can get it as match the following, or the other way around could be via the statement type questions. It could be any one of the options in the statement wise. So make sure you do not skip this question. Make the mnemonics and revise those questions very nicely. It would be very helpful for you in this particular examination. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon with more practice questions. Good luck.